People like him, they make our life hell. The day one I joined SPG in Bombay, a director sir came in. If you're sleeping more than 4.5 hours every day, then I'm not doing my job well.
Don't speak like our alum.
पर सर व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन द टॉक्सिक कल्चर? आजकल ये 9 to 5 के बाद 9 to 6 हो जाए वही तो टॉक्सिक बोलते हैं. मेरे को तो परसेप्शन है.
It's a matter of perception. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. You can work 9 to 5. You can be extremely productive. You can be whatever
You can be
want.
workaholic if you want.
You can be a workaholic if you want. The choice is yours. See, it's not. The world is not black and white.
और अभी तो रहा भी नहीं ब्लैक एंड
रहा भी नहीं, रहेगा भी नहीं. See, it's changed and it's changed permanently. Right? The call is yours.
करना है तो.
Nobody is forcing you to do anything.
One good thing is happening in this world. जो आपको MBA में सिखाते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं यूटिलाइज तो हो जाता है, राइट?
True.
यू कैन शिफ्ट करियर्स.
Yes.
आई हैव सीन पीपल इन जी जो HR कर रहा था वो मार्केटिंग कर रहा है, जो मार्केटिंग कर रहा है वो HR कर रहा है.
I have seen a lot of this.
Yeah.
I have seen a lot of this. People who spend about 20 years in marketing suddenly move to HR.
Sir, there are news all over the place that MBA in 2025 is dead. निखिल कामत साहब बोल रहे हैं कि भाई you'll be stupid in his language. अगर आप 25 साल के हो और अगर आप MBA कर रहे हो, उनकी एक शॉर्ट वायरल हो रही है तो भाई बर्बादी है. हाँ, ठीक है. मैं इस पे 50-50 हो गया हूँ ऑलरेडी. आप इस पे क्या है सर? 150?
100% I agree with him.
Is it?
Yeah. Those B schools which are irrelevant today and are offering an MBA are dead. So he's right. Those who are contemporary, those who are relevant, those who are moving with the times, those who understand what an MBA is all about and deliver accordingly will continue to thrive.
बात तो सही है.
सीधी बात है भाई. And see, an MBA is more about out of class learning, it's more about peer learning, it's more about experiential learning, it's more about industry academia collaboration, it's more about connecting with the real world. It's not restricted just to a curriculum.
सर ये जो सारे वर्ड्स हैं ना आपके पीयर लर्निंग, ये ना समझ नहीं आती until unless तुम एक अच्छे कॉलेज में अंडर ग्रेजुएट पढ़ते हो.
Exactly, that is what I said. That is what I said. See, if you get a bunch of WorkX guys, let's say I'm teaching a batch of, let's say, 60 students, right? Each of them has 2 years WorkX. I may have about 40 plus, right? But there's 120 years of experience in that class. I should know how to leverage that. And if students also leverage that WorkX, I think they'll come out as far better professionals.
I give them the best example. So I went to Raj Shamani's podcast and he asked me this same question. MBA relevant है क्या आजकल? मैं बोला देख भाई, अगर तुम्हारे पास 21 से 25 साल की उम्र में एक CA बैठा है और एक NIT का, एक IIT का, एक बिट्स प्लानिंग का, कंप्यूटर साइंस है, कोई भी तुम्हारे ग्रुप में है, एक दिल्ली का SRCC, जय हिंद कॉलेज, बॉम्बे का बढ़िया FC कॉलेज, बढ़िया है, 4 लोग हैं जो बैठ के तुम इंटलेक्ट करते हो. मतलब इवन इफ यू ग्लास ऑफ ड्रिंक और अ कॉफ़ी यू आर टॉकिंग बिजनेस.
Exactly.
तो तुझे MBA करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
देखो, fundamentals are required in any case.
पढ़ लेंगे सर ऑनलाइन फंडामेंटल्स.
हाँ, वो तो आजकल everything is online. That is why I'm saying, that is why this MBA experience. See, MBA is also an experience. Students will also come for that experience. Students will also come for the kind of learning that I've spoken about.
Yeah.
Right? If they carry that treasure away with them, they'll be far better professionals.
और बड़ी सारी ना सर सॉफ्ट चीज़ें होती हैं जिसका समझ नहीं आता वैल्यू, जो एक अच्छे स्कूल के MBA को समझ आता है, मुझे लगता है. एक इज डेडलाइंस.
Absolutely.
डेडलाइन का मतलब
Deadlines है, managing with limited resources है, which will continue wherever you are, whenever you are.
मैनेजिंग विद लेस स्लीप है.
Managing with zero sleep है.
People like him, they make our life hell. The day one I joined SPG in Bombay, a director sir came in. If you're sleeping more than 4.5 hours every day, then I'm not doing my job well.
Don't speak like our alum.
I'm not an alum, but sir, I know what happens in top schools. I know.
No, I'll tell you honestly, it's a fact that we do put them through the grind, but we are also pretty mindful of their wellness as well. All right, and we should be too. But yes, they will face it when they go out.
Yeah. If somebody is paying you, तुम यार TCS में नौकरी कर रहे थे 4 लाख पे, अब तुझे 25 लाख मिल रहा है, ठीक है? तो 2 साल में इतना तो तुमने तोड़ कुछ बहुत ही अमेजिंग तो कर नहीं लिया है, तो काम तो तुम्हें 2x देना पड़ेगा.
देना पड़ेगा. See, they are also looking at ROI, na?
Yeah.
And it's very simple. If you don't agree with somebody, agree to disagree and move off. But it's going to be the same wherever you go.
True. And more you go up the value chain, more you come closer to the CXO,
Yes.
उतना काम बढ़ेगा, उतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, अपनी तो छोड़ो, नीचे वाले की भी.
Yes.
पर सर, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन द टॉक्सिक कल्चर? आजकल ये 9 to 5 के बाद 9 to 6 हो जाए वही तो टॉक्सिक बोलते हैं.
It's a matter of perception.
परसेप्शन है.
It's a matter of perception. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. You can work 9 to 5. You can be extremely productive. You can be whatever
You can be
want.
workaholic if you want.
You can be a workaholic if you want. The choice is yours. But then, then don't blame your company if you are
Quit the company.
overlooked.
Quit and move out.
Quit and move out. The choice is yours. It's a free world. Nobody is forcing you to do it. There are companies which are still offering partly work from home. It's their call. There are companies even during COVID which had to work on site.
Yeah.
Their call. See, it's not, the world is not black and white.
और अभी तो रहा भी नहीं black and white.
रहा भी नहीं, रहेगा भी नहीं. See, it's changed and it's changed permanently. Right? The call is yours.
करना है तो
Nobody is forcing you to do anything. Find some place which is more in sync with what you want.
I may sound old, but I come from that culture where my boss said, I'm not going to name him and her, two bosses, one FMS, one SPJMR, day one of GE. यार हमें जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था ना, मुझे एक लाइन बोली गई थी, कम बिफोर योर बॉस एंड लीव आफ्टर योर बॉस. ठीक है, उस समय हम यस सर, मैं फॉलो करूं ना करूं, बट नज़र रखता था मैं उसके ऊपर कि यार मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, वो बैठा हुआ है, तो जाके नॉक करके, सर आई एम डन विद माई वर्क, डू यू हैव एनीथिंग एल्स फॉर मी, लेट मी नो सर, आई एम लीविंग फॉर द डे, राइट. एंड आजकल बोलो तो सर ये टॉक्सिक है. व्हाट्स योर टेक?
That's what I'm saying. It's perception.
परसेप्शन तुझे करना है.
See, what is toxic for you may not be for me.
पर एमबीए को घिसना पड़ेगा ना सर लाइफ लॉन्ग, ये बताओ पहले तो.
करना तो पड़ेगा भाई. Why MBA? You go to any profession is going to be the same.
व्हाट अबाउट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस? एमबीए को मिलता है बाद में वर्क लाइफ?
वर्क बैलेंस तो पक्का मिलता है. But yes, there are a few companies which are very mindful of it and ensure that you take your certain number of leaves in a year. Also ensure that don't answer any emails during that time, don't answer any phone calls, and actually penalize if you do that. That's good in a way.
Don't overdo it for the bosses.
Don't overdo it for the bosses. I think you need to take a call based on your own likes, dislikes, preferences, and inclinations as well, right?
One good thing is happening in this world. जो आपको एमबीए में सिखाते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं यूटिलाइज तो हो जाता है, राइट?
True.
यू कैन शिफ्ट करियर्स.
Yes.
आई हैव सीन पीपल इन जी जो एचआर कर रहा था वो मार्केटिंग कर रहा है, जो मार्केटिंग कर रहा है वो एचआर कर रहा है.
I have seen a lot of this.
Yeah.
I have seen a lot of this. People who spent about 20 years in marketing suddenly moved to HR and excelled at that too.
And excelled at that role.
And excelled
Leela
at that.
Nair.
Simple reason. Simple reason was you understood the business very well. So you could handle the people who were running that business very well. Yeah.
So MBA is a learning platform जहाँ पे आपको मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, एचआर सब कुछ खिचड़ी मिला के पका के खिला देंगे.
आपको बिजनेस सीखना है and business is not one function.
All the function, it's like
It is everything put together.
सर इज इट वर्थ 2 साल लगाएंगे अपने कॉलेज में आके बैठेंगे?
Yes.
ज़्यादा नहीं है सर 2 साल?
No, that is why the NEP is coming out with the concept of a 1-year MBA also. But as of now, I would definitely say that 2 years is worth it.
I also feel if you really want to enjoy your MBA, enjoy first 4 months of stress, go through the SIP cycle, go and do an internship in 2 months. जो पढ़ा उसके बाद डिसीजन लिया यार मार्केटिंग में इंटर्नशिप करूँ कि फाइनेंस में इंटर्नशिप करूँ. चलो मार्केटिंग तो मेरा पैशन है, लेट मी गो एंड speed date with finance for 2 months and then come and say, oh, this was better. Yeah. Or I love marketing में finance है नहीं भाई, marketing finance चलता रहेगा साथ में, corporate finance 1, corporate finance 2, etc. and then I can do that. I think MBA the 2 years degree is well nourished, but in this fast changing world where attention spans are 5 seconds,
Yes.
वो सर अभी इतना मतलब आप करवा तो दोगे, इनको एक्सेप्टेंस भी तो होनी चाहिए ना.
Acceptance होता है. See, you know what kids are looking today is not just bookish knowledge, right? So when I go to class, for example, I'll talk about my experience. It's not every time that I've succeeded in everything. You know, several times there have been times when I've fallen flat on my face. But then my students should understand that, you know, even this guy has fallen flat on his face. Making mistakes, normal. Repeating them, not.
Not now.
So learn from my mistakes, learn from my failures. That is also an experience. That is what they are looking for today.
Superb.
You know, that is why I think the UGC has also brought in this concept of professor of practice. You know, where you guys have spent 20, 25 years in industry
They come
without going through the regular qualifications and all of that. They are allowed to come and be a professor of practice.
Understood.
We need more of that.
Understood. And sir, the curriculums are updated. Are the schools putting in efforts overall?
We're putting in a lot of efforts.
आप कर रहे हो बाकी schools?
Well, I can't comment on what somebody else is doing or not doing.
Sir, you know the entire story of India right now. Come on. You can't be diplomatic on my podcast.
No. See, story of India, you're making me sound like Pandit Nehru.
Pandit Nehru.
I don't go around talking about other people's stories. I can only talk about what I do.
But can you vouch for top 30 schools in the nation?
I
top
would
25?
say yes, because nobody can afford to remain static. It's a question of your own relevance. It is a question of, you know, we keep talking about sustainability. No, it's a question of your own sustainability. Tomorrow, if you're not able to deliver that relevance, you're going to be irrelevant. People will not come to you, and bang goes your sustainability.
So why MBA is dead, no dead? It's a well-planned curriculum, industry folks coming in teaching you. I think it's a learning platform as well. कि तू जब
It's
2
a
साल,
career preparation platform. Let me put it that way.
it's a break from life for 2 years and then you know
It's not a break. It's a
career break तो बोल सकते हैं ना सर.
हाँ, career break बोल सकते
जब पैसे आने बंद हो जाते हैं तो उसको
हैं. हाँ,
career
वो
break.
career break होता है, लेकिन वो थोड़ा SIP में cover भी हो जाता है.
हाँ, थोड़ा ऐसे में कवर भी हो जाता है. You pay 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs depending on the college and then you take a career break and then you learn. It's a learning platform. तुम्हें बिजनेस करना है, बिजनेस करो. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना है, हमारे यहाँ पे भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का कोर्स है. देन यू कैन प्ले एंड देन यू गेट अ टैग SIBM, यू गेट अ टैग SPGL बॉम्बे. एंड पीपल डोंट रियलाइज दैट जो बोल रहे भी MBA इज डेड, overall it's a misnomer, but your brand IIM Ahmedabad walks in, your brand SIBM walks in before you enter the room.
Yes, it does.
Sir is an SIBM alumni. Sir, उसी का ही हम आज तक चल रहा है. देना तो उसी का ही है ना.
देखो, देना तो उसी का है. See, but let me again ask you, what is a brand? Brand is not a logo, it's not a name, it is not a design. Brand, in my opinion, my humble opinion, for whatever it is worth,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
it's a promise. It's a promise of future quality based on past experience.
Agreed.
When you say brand SIBM walks in, brand SIBM walks in because you shake my alumni tree, 300 to 400 C-suite people will fall out of it. That's where our alumni have performed. People will come in for that brand expecting that quality.
Nice.
So that's quality walking in through the door.
Nice.
IIM Ahmedabad, of course, is IIM Ahmedabad. हम लोग छोटे हैं, लेकिन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Nice. When you go in the SIBM alumni meets, sir, people are very like proud of what they have achieved. Sir, SIBM ये हो गया वो. I did a video call with you if you remember. One of the alumni, he's my friend. So we did a alumni like it was like Cat King alumni family meetup. So एक proud feeling तो आ जाती है.
बहुत proud feeling आ जाती है. And I think it's their love for the institute, and I think it's again that culture that has been there for a very long time, which binds people together. You have somebody who's passed out, let's say 40 years back, and somebody who's passed out last year, and they'll sit together, arms around shoulders, because you're part of the same fraternity.
ये चीज़ NIT IIT वालों को पहले पता जाती थी. जैसे सीनियर जूनियर रिलेशनशिप होता है, ऊपर वाले बैच पता होते हैं, नीचे वाले बैच. कोई मुझे मिल रहा है NIT
यहाँ पे
सूरत
ऐसे नहीं है. We are pretty close.
Yeah.
And that 9,000 का strength is really strong for us.
Very good. कोई मुझे NIT सूरतकल का alumni मिले, कल एक्सेल ड्राइव में मुझे मिला, तो I asked him where is the ring? हमें सारी रिंग मिलती है NIT की. So you know, and तब हम मस्ती करते थे, रिंग नौकरी नहीं लगेगी तो इसको बेच देंगे एक्सेट्रा. एक सिल्वर रिंग है ये, अब तो महंगी होगी, बट एनी विच वे इट सेज स्टिल NIT के. सो डू इट फॉर द रिंग फॉर श्योर. वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर, किसको MBA नहीं करनी चाहिए? छोड़ दे भाई, घर बैठ.
जिसके पास पुरखों की जायदाद बहुत है,
वो मत करे.
मत करो. जिसको आराम करना है मत करो, जिसको नेटवर्क करना है ज़रूर करो, जिसको आगे बढ़ना है ज़रूर करो,
बिजनेस करना है तो
बिजनेस करना है तो ज़रूर करो,
करो।
बिल्कुल करो।
ROI सर 20 लाख मैं यहाँ लगाऊंगा, 25 लाख लगाऊंगा, उससे अपना बिजनेस में
That is what I'm saying. Don't look at ROI just in the first year. Look at it as a life investment.
पर पैसा होना चाहिए।
Loan तो मिलता है.
Loan.
See, we have nationalized banks who have shortlisted us, no collateral for education loans. Moratorium of 1 year after you join your recruiter.
कुछ घर वर मम्मा के गहने
कुछ
गिरवी नहीं रखने
nothing.
हैं।
Admission letter from SIBM Pune.
Save it all।
That's it all.
मैं इनको ही बोलता हूँ, लोग पैसे की बात करते हैं, सर पैसे रहेंगे, रिस्क होगा, कोलेटरल तो देना नहीं है, अपने खुद पे रिस्क ले रहे हो तुम। हम स्टॉक मार्केट पे इन्वेस्ट कर देते, किसी का टिप आ गया, ले तू 1000 रुपये का वो खरीद ले, अदानी का स्टॉक खरीद ले, इसका स्टॉक खरीद ले। नो स्टॉक टिप शेयर। यहाँ पे तुम खुद पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, खुद पे लोन दे रहे हो, और कॉलेज की लेगेसी अगर 20-25 साल की और वो एलुमनाई जनरेट कर चुका है तो इट्स रिस्क ऑन यू। और 20-22 साल में नहीं लोगे तो कब लोगे यार, इज माई टेक। I have a slight twist in thought in startup and entrepreneurship. If you already have a good brand,
Yeah.
like an IIT, NIT, BITS, etc., and your connections are all VJTIs of the world,
Yeah.
your connections are already good, then you may think of an exec MBA later on in life just to learn those things. If you think it's too much of an investment, ये पैसा तो मैं अपने धंधे में लगा के स्टोर खोल लूँगा कुछ etc. etc. There you can think more, but सर वो सारे चैप्टर्स मुझे पर्सनली अभी सामने आ रहे हैं। मैं फिलिप कॉटलर अब खोल के देख रहा हूँ, मुझे अब समझ आ रहा है नीड चार्ट क्या होता है, ये प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल में मैच्योरिटी पे क्या करना है, ऑल द थिंग्स दे से ना। जवानी में आप कोट्स पढ़ते हो और कोट्स का मतलब पता चलता है बाद में। तो if you finish your all the things and then you want to come, then you guys can go for it. But any which way, sir, any parting thoughts to all the people who want to do an MBA or you don't want to do an MBA, who are thinking MBA is dead? Last parting thoughts.
Never stop learning. And don't shy away from hard work. There are no shortcuts in life.
No shortcut.
There are no shortcuts in life. And the day you stop learning, the day you start getting complacent is the day you start your downfall. Second thought, can I speak in Hindi?
Of course.
भाई जितना पैसा कमाना है 45 तक कमा लो, you're all going to burn out after that. The way the world is going. After that, enjoy life. Don't follow my example.
सर तो बंद ही नहीं कर रहे हैं सर, काम पे काम करेंगे। टेक्स्ट हिम at 11 o'clock in the night, you guys get a reply as well. Sir, this is so amazing. Thank you so much. I'm really humbled.
My pleasure.
To have this
Absolutely.
discussion. Being a director of a top business schools, coming and talking about this subject and open-heartedly, it's lovely. Yaar. Boys and girls, drop in a comment for sure. What do you think? MBA is dead or not dead? Would you actually do an MBA? If you would do an MBA, why would you do an MBA? What I'll do is, I'll send you one of my favorite books which I've read for non-MBAs. And 5 of these copies I'm going to ship to the 5 best comments. जो किताब है गेम चेंजर, वो उनके लिए भी जो MBA करने घुस रहे हैं या जो नहीं भी करने वाले, it's going to be game changer for you. One of my best read books. Drop in the comments and see in the comment section. Thank you once again. Do it in the like button for sure, और वीडियो को शेयर कर दो अपने WhatsApp ग्रुप्स के अंदर. It'll be fun. Thank you so much. Bye bye.